Our VMB module is our VGA adapter. This allows you to virtually connect any VGA monitor to it. It is designed to be used with our VMO Mainboard. Let's take a look at that board now. Here we have the VMB module. It measures 3.07 inches by 2.16 inches. There are 3 headers here to bring out GPIO pins from the Nano module, along with 2 headers to plug into the VMO Mainboard. Let's plug it on top of the VMO Mainboard now. Again, we have low profile height. There are 3 connectors to give you access to other modules, and the VGA port. Let's plug in the VGA monitor and show you the demo that comes with the board. Here I have the VMB module connected to my 1080p ViewSonic monitor. The current resolution on this monitor is 640 by 480. It can support up to 800 by 480. It's 8-bit, red, green, and blue. Video timing can be adjusted in the software should you need to do that. And the same graphics library that is applied to all our other LCD modules is the same for this. The VMB module can be used for remote kiosks, terminals, anywhere where you need to display large information. You can connect a VMO module with temperature sensors and things of this nature to the internet with it, and have that connect to another VMO module with this VMB module on top of it to display that information to people. This can be expanded further by installing a camera module and taking some video shots, let's say a remote security door, while you're displaying your temperature sensors or other data that you want to display on the screen.